Hello everyone, Andrew here, and in this video we're gonna test the MyForexFunds VIP account. They just released this account. I got accepted, and I'm gonna show you the whole process from being accepted all the way to actually withdrawing and how fast it actually is. So if you wanna see how fast you can make profits and actually withdraw them, then just stay until the end of the video. Let's get right into it. First of all, going over the VIP account, that's pretty basic. It's explained really nice here. So it's basically you need to be paid out at least 5 times and have traded for a minimum of 3 months. So that means that you need to get every payout. You can't miss any single payout because the first payout is after 30 days and then you have bi-weekly for the next months. So it's basically first withdrawal is the first month and then 4 more during the next 2 months. So you can't miss any withdrawal date. There's no target for the withdrawal or target for profit, so you can withdraw even $10 every single payout and then just build up the 3 months and you're gonna get accepted into the VIP. And then the benefits are pretty nice actually. They are, I think, the best in the prop firm industry because you have a 90% profit split, which is the biggest one that I know of. You also have the ability to withdraw at any time, and this is actually really big because you have no restrictions and the payout request button will always be active if you are in profit. Now there's a small glitch I think to this, and I'm gonna show you guys later in the video. And then you have semi-automated payout confirmations, money in your deal account within 10 hours, and I must say it's way quicker than that. It's way quicker, so I'm really impressed by their VIP program. For the other surprises, I don't know, I haven't received any additional email, so I can't talk about that. But overall, this is the best program there is in the funding prop firm industry, and honestly it's really worth trading for 3 months, having those withdrawals, and then just apply for VIP, and then you're basically set for your trading account. You can withdraw, you can make a lot of profits. There is no rush or anything like that. You don't have to wait for your withdrawal date or anything. So to actually apply for the account, you just need to fill up the form here with your first name, last name, account number, and then email. So overall, I think they really made this for the trader because actually this doesn't benefit them at all. It just benefits you with having a bigger profit split and the no restriction to the withdrawal date. So I think that's really amazing. And just by recording this video, I actually received my withdrawal in my bank account right now from the one I'm gonna show you in this video. So let's go ahead and check out the first email after you apply. So after applying, you're just gonna wait for a few days, I think like 48 hours for a response. And this is the email that you get. So it's basically saying your name, congratulations, we have received your request and would like to congratulate you for being eligible for our VIP program. Your account, the number, shall be moved to VIP status right after your next payout. So you need to be in profit with other profits, and when the account is fresh on the balance, it's flat, then you are upgraded to a VIP. And you're gonna have a VIP badge in your trading account. After I received my next payout, to be honest, it wasn't upgraded to VIP, so I just sent them an email and they fixed it within a few hours, so that was really nice. And then it's again the benefits. So this is how the dashboard looks like. You're just gonna have a big VIP badge right here, which is just an image, so it's nothing really too fancy. The thing that you need to pay attention to is that you have the payout request button at all times. So if I press this, you can see I have $152 profit, so I made that just to test the second withdrawal of the day. I'm gonna get into it right now. So you can just press the payout request button, select cryptocurrency or deal, and then just submit. I only tried deal, that was really fast, and from deal you can basically withdraw to crypto or bank account. Now I'm gonna show you exactly when I requested the payout and how fast it actually came in. So on the right side of the screen you can see my balance and payout balance reset. So I just took a trade, made like 1.2k, I think, not that much, just a scalp trade just to test the system out. So you can see the balance was withdraw on today, 11th of October, and the time is 12:20. Now I think I pressed the button at around 12:18, so like 2 minutes. In 2 minutes the withdrawal was already on my phone. I think it was quicker than that. I think it was like 1 minute. So in like 1 minute the balance was withdrawn, so you can see there's the withdrawal right there. So in about 1 minute the balance was resetted, so the profit was taken from my account. That's actually really fast, from pressing the button and filling the payout request to 1 minute of withdrawing the profit, so you can basically start trading again. That's really fast. And you can see the email right here, it was around 8 minutes later, so this is the time right here on the right. So it was 6 minutes later from when I actually pressed the button, 6 or 7 minutes. So that's actually like really fast. And it just says we hope you're doing well. It's basically the same email of a payout, but it's just under a different format. So it just says thank you for submitting your payout request. We'll be analyzing your account and we'll get back to you in the next 4 to 6 hours. Now usually it says 24 to 48 hours when you request a normal payout. This time it just says 4 to 6 hours. So I was like, alright, just 4 or 6 hours, that's nice. I requested a payout in the morning just because I wanted to see if I can get the profit back into my bank account until the end of the day, which actually happened. I'm gonna show you later. Next email that comes in is 12:53. So that's after 29 more minutes, so like 30 minutes later, you get another email where it says payout confirmation. So it just says, congrats, you qualified for the amount against the account number. I have initiated the payout to your deal account. So that was really fast. In about 30 minutes, I already got the payout confirmation. Now let's move on to the deal email. So this was 12:53, and check this thing out, guys. 2 minutes later, the money was already in my deal account. From the moment of completing the payout request all the way to the money actually receiving in my deal account, it took about 35 minutes. That's actually pretty insane. So in 35 minutes, I can withdraw my profits from my funded trading account and have my money in the deal account, which is, for me, is actually insane. No other funding company has done this so far. This is really fast. 35 minutes. So basically, if you make your profits in the morning, you take a London trade, you make 2,000 or 3,000, you just withdraw the profits, and in less than 40 minutes, you have the money in your deal account, and then you can withdraw it via crypto, which is almost instantly. So maybe 1 hour to actually have the money, or you can just do a bank transfer like I did. Or if you're using Revolut or Wise from Deal, that's just instant. So it takes less than 1 hour to actually receive your money, which again, it's actually insane. If you use a normal broker like IC Markets, for me, IC Markets sends the money in 2 to 3 days. So it takes 2 to 3 days to receive the money. MyForexFunds, with a new VIP program, they send the money from your trading account to your deal account in less than 40 minutes. That's actually pretty insane for the VIP program. So 4 minutes later, I requested the payout. This was like 1 p.m. and now 6 p.m. time right now. In 5 hours, I received the money to my bank account, as you can see here on the left side, the screenshot of the transfer. So for me, that's actually mind-blowing. It just changes the game completely, and I think MyForexFunds is the best prop firm funding right now, and trust me, I have tested them all, but this VIP program is just everything you need in order to make real money from trading, because now you don't have any stress, you don't need to force any trades, because you know, if you have a good trade, a profitable trade, you can just withdraw the money same hour and receive it in less than 1 hour in your bank account. That's, for me, is just game changing again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you are eligible for the VIP program, just go on their website, fill out the form, apply for it, and I hope this video had good information. I don't think there's any other YouTube video that talks about the VIP program. So for me, I've been using MyForexFunds for a few months now, so I got accepted basically immediately, and I just figured I tested. Oh, and one thing that I wanted to mention is I actually tried, after making this profit, I tried to take another trade. So I took another trade, I scalped another trade. So after withdrawing that profit, I actually took another trade to make scalped like $200. I wanted to see if I can make 2 withdrawals in a day. So I tried that, and unfortunately it did not work. So I don't know if this is a bug or something that they made, but you can only withdraw once a day. So you can't make 2 withdrawals in the same day. The payout request button, it does work. You fill the information in, but then no payout confirmation comes out, no balance reset in your MT5 account, nothing like that. So you just complete the form and nothing happens. So I think they kind of put it there intentionally so you can withdraw multiple times during a day, maybe to prevent gambling or something like that, but having 1 withdrawal per day is more than enough. So again, game changing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if there's any other video explaining everything like this. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm also posting a lot of trading education on this channel for free for everyone. You can learn how I trade and how I managed to actually be profitable for more than 3 months trading prop firm trading account, and maybe you can also learn how to make some extra income by trading. Again, it's completely free. I also have a Telegram channel where I do share some setups, so you can join that. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.